Mabuhay!
And what is Beanie?
Beanie stands is for a girl group, anak. Day?
First day.
First
Day,
First day namin? Wait, make a wish. Okay. Okay, let's go! Tissue ko ba?
Face reveal muna!
Four wisdom teeth are extracted,
And distracted.
and manipulated. After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day it was the.
I don't know, what do you feel about it?
And I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous? You're the one who's not.
Nauseous and conscious.
And cautious. My Confucius.
And I feel like that's the beauty of being an 8-member girl group. We have one that is impacted. Oh, I'm also impacted. But only
Me too.
I'm a survivor. Me too.
Both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom. Okay, so guys, Isaw means you're beautiful. And the spelling of Isaw is I-S-A-W, so it means Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw that sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is...
Barbecue.
What's this? How do you explain this? What's...
Anything you like. It's
tenga po ba to?
versatile.
With sauce. No, it's kimchi. Ang bango ah.
Meron din tayong
Tapos,
brownies.
we have brownies
And show your
tissue.
coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe?
Show your coffee.
Di, wag na. Ang laki ng coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe. Guys, yung coffee sa comments, basa mo ba?
We have Korean comments din.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh.
Dati Aya nakasubscribe doon sa Weavers.
Kailinin house.
If you want seaweed.
She can't. You need to blend it.
Hindi, nguyain mo muna. Tapos
Today, how's life lately?
Let's
Oh,
ask
start
Mix.
with Mika. How's life?
type mo na lang kung...
Type mo na lang.
Malapit na.
Ilang days ka? Ilang days ka ngayon? From nung binunutan mo?
Ayun, like today. Tuesday.
One kaya din, no? Kasi, pero kailan ka maggagalaw na pwede? Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh.
Ano na ako gumalaw, pero...
Thank you pala sa Manggate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga kagad.
Yes.
dito ako nasa van kasi ako may ano sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga
Ah,
Tapos may
ah.
picture ni Lord. Sabi ko, sige lang.
Diyan siya lang. Kanina ko siya.
It's an achievement.
Di ba laki ko in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karning. Ay, ka, bebe.
Come Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay. Guys, okay, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for today.
I feel more stronger.
Basta merong cake noon si Mix. Tapos mataas siya, like 3 layer ata.
Sa volleyball player tayo.
Tapos merong mukha ni Mix na volleyball player, pero kamukha ni Ate Jo. Tinitipid namin yung cake ni Mix for...
Oo, 1 month. Yung ref kasi sa PBB, di ba, 2-door? Yung gagawin namin pag break, bubuksan namin lahat ng mga gagawin.
Ay, Rinas ko if nakakain siya.
Ay, hanep.
Get well soon daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po.
Sarap yung cake.
It's like your first love, first kilig, or first time to experience kilig.
First crush. Di ba English mo ng first?
Yeah, first crush. Ay!
Sa feeling.
Yung nasa tingin. What are you doing, Gwen?
Dapat, nasa nito. Go with the...
Okay, next. Mahal kita.
32 na.
100!
Oh!
Hello! Oh, go.
1,000 pala.
30,000?
Oo nga!
Sa lahat po lang napadaan na maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Beanie. We're just a new
Wait
group.
lang, ang haba.
Wait.
Ano naman?
And sobra namin kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray!
Or C.
Regine Velasquez.
A or B or C, Regine Velasquez.
Ako po ay...
Go, bebe. Laliman mo. Go, bebe. Laliman mo.
Okay, that's it for the
Ay, nakatulog.
Pagkatapos po namin kaganapang ito, ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-ensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training.
Spell rigorous.
Okay.
Rigor! Ano po? May K po ba nakalagay? May K?
New
Oo nga.
Zealand. Hello.
Next. Ito.
Ano yan?
Beanie.
Ito na lang. Beanie.
Opinion muna and the favors. Beanie.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos J.
J, oh, Joanna.
Joanna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, next.
Sa Weavers.
Oh.
We, paano?
Pag POV nila, W. Tama.
Tama.
Alam mo, M. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Tatlo yung kayo. Hindi yung isa.
It's our first date.
Oh,
Igyo,
Igyo.
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 Ano mo?
Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Igyo. Igyo.
Paano Igyo?
Ano ba yun?
Ganito.
Papakit lang.
Next, ending fairy. Wala, Igyo daw, Ate Colette.
May utang sa
Okay, 6, 7, Ate Aya. Sabi ng
Sabi ni Ate Aya,
Sabi ni Ate Aya, 6, 7.
Open the lid.
Okay, fun facts here, MJ Felipe is one of the
Best?
most sought journalist in the Philippines.
Yes,
Yes.
alright.
Yes.
At si Joanna ang susunod sa yapak ni Sir
Yes.
MJ.
And Joanna is number 2.
2, 1!
That's engines.
The Seraphim din meron.
Me, I'm a twice fan. Once. I'm a once.
And I'm a blink.
Link. And Beba is?
Person. She's a
Ay,
human.
person.
She's a
Ay,
human.
person. She's a Filipino.
Ang katsa, di ba? She's a
Ay,
human.
person. She's a Filipino.
Ang katsa, di ba?
20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette. Ito lang kasi nagda-like na